Hello everyone, again welcome to my class. Last uh, last class we have already discussed party-based movement, non-party-based movement as well as Dalit Panthers. So today we are going to discuss another topic, and topic name is Bharatiya Kisan Union, means BKU. So first of all, you remember what is the full form of BKU. BKU means Bharatiya Kisan Union. So in 1980, BKU was formed. So BKU was formed in 1980. So remember this year. So the farmer union active in Haryana and western part of UP. BKU played an important role in farmers movement in India. So in 1986, Mohendra Singh Tikai became chairperson of BKU. So again this name you remember and note down. In 1986, Mohendra Singh Tikai became a chairperson of BKU. In 1986, Mohendra Singh Tikai became chairperson of BKU. So remember this name. So in January 1988, around 20,000 farmers had gathered in city of Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. They were protesting against the government decision to increase electricity rates. The farmer camped for about 3 weeks outside the district collectorial office till their demands were fulfilled, and all these days they received regular food supply from nearby the village. These agitating farmers were members of BKU, an organization of farmers from western part of UP and as well as Haryana region. So in this topic, next point is demands of BKU. Demands of BKU. So what are the basic demands of BKU? First of all, sugarcane and wheat price should be increased. First one is sugarcane and wheat price should be increased. So first one is sugarcane and wheat price should be increased. So remember this point and note down. And second one is abolition of restriction on the interstate movement of farm produce. So next point is abolition of restriction on the interstate movement of farm produce. So this is the second demand of BKU. And third one is grant supply of electricity at reasonable rate. So this is the third demand of BKU, grant supply of electricity at reasonable rate. And fourth one is give up of repayment due on loans to farmers. Give up of repayments. Give up of repayments due on loans to farmers. So this is the fourth demand of BKU, give up of repayments due on loans to farmers. And next one is the provision of a government permission for farmers. The provision of a government pension for farmers. So fifth demand is the provision of a government pension for farmers. So this is the basic demand of BKU. You will remember and note down. And next point is characteristics of BKU. Characteristics of BKU. What are the basic characteristics of BKU? Activities conducted by the BKU to pressurize the state for accepting their demands included rallies, demonstration, and jail agitation. These protests involve tens of thousands of and sometimes over a lakhs of peoples in various parts of western UP and Haryana region basically. The strength of BKU in its lakhs of people. So in early 90s, BKU distanced from all the political parties. At that time, BKU fulfilled their demands with the help of other organizations like Setokari Sangathan in Maharashtra and Right Sangathan in Karnataka. So these are the basic things of BKU. So you will remember these things systematically. And today class is dismissed here, and